we're going to use 2.5 rolls of 10-inch Deca mesh, along with, well, yeah, 2.5 rolls. So a red, a green, and half of this beige color to make this wreath. And we're going to put this cute sign in the middle of it that says, "Let's bake stuff, drink hot chocolate, and watch Christmas movies." And I'm going to decorate it up with a little bit of gold balls. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to, oops, not drop our pipe cleaners. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is tie our pipe cleaners onto our wreath. And we're going to do 18 pipe cleaners. So we'll have them on the outer 2 rings. One there. One in the middle 2 rings. And another one on the outer 2 rings for each of the 6 sections, just like that. The next thing we're going to do is we will take our beige color Deca mesh and we will cut it in 10-inch sections. We'll cut 18 10-inch sections of this beige, and it will only use half of this roll. And we will cut the green and the red in 40-inch sections of Deca mesh, and it will make 9 each. So that's what we'll make our ribbon at. So I'm going to cut these really quick and get back with you. So again, these will be cut in lengths of 40 inches on both of these, and 10-inch strips of this for 18 of these, and 9 of this, and 9 of that. Now we're going to take one of our long pieces and we're going to fold the end in, and then we're going to start just pinching it in the middle all the way to the other end. All the way to the other end. And then once you get to the other end, we're going to fold that in, and finish pinching. And make this beautiful ruffle. And then, actually I was supposed to do this part first, is we're going to roll our one of our tan pieces around in a circle and make about like that. Put it in the middle, and then we're going to tie it to our frame. I'm going to start on the inside. I'm going to tie it to our frame. And then we're going to take a red one, alternating them, and do the same thing. Fold it in, fold it under. I think I'm going to fold it under, fold it under. Now I'm going to fold it in. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to start pinching it. Pinching, 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 all the way to the other end. I'm going to fold that one in. I think I'm going to fold it under. No, I'm going to fold it in. All the way like that. Grab our little fan piece and roll it in. And clip it there. Clip on the next outer side. The inner side. And tie it to your wreath right there. Get a green one. And keep repeating this process. How pretty that is. Oh my goodness, it's so full. Alright, now I'm going to attach my little bitty bulbs to each one of these pipe cleaners and tuck the pipe cleaners away. And there you have it. It's got all the bulbs on it and it looks so nice and full. And I've switched my mind because I have something that is going to go better with this one than this that I'm going to make in a minute. And so I switched to this one right here for this wreath. And I think it will be good. And so I'm going to use that in this wreath. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Alright, and what I'm going to do is this one has two little holes up here. I'm going to stick my pipe cleaner through there. There's a hole. And my pipe cleaner through the hole and attach it to the frame. I'm sitting it right down into the middle. Turn it over and try to find the frame. And there you have it.